Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you Element of Account Standard 11 Part 2 Chapter 4. From the exercise in previous lecture we already completed up to question number 10 of Bills of Exchange. Today let's start question number 11. Question number 11. Record the following transactions in the books of Abraham. 2016 July. First date, drew a bill of rupees 24,000 on Karina, which she accepted and returned. Here, the period of the bill is of 45 days. Here, Abraham drew the bill of rupees 24,000. So Abraham is the creditor and this bill drew on Karina. It means Karina is the acceptor of the bill. It means here Karina is debtor and Abraham is the creditor. And time period of this bill is 45 days. Accepted a 1 month period bill of rupees 28,000 drawn by Abhishek and return it. Here on third date, there is accepted a 1 month period bill of rupees 28,000 drawn by Abhishek. Abhishek drew the bill and returned it. Third one, endorsed a bill receivable of rupees 32,500 received from Ranbir to Deepika in full settlement of an account of rupees 33,000. Here, endorsed the bill receivable of 32,500 which is received from Ranbir and this endorsed to Deepika. Abraham received this bill from Ranbir and Abraham endorsed this bill to Deepika and full settlement of account is 33,000. Date number 7. Sold goods of rupees 48,000 to Priyanka and drew a 2 months bill of rupees 40,000 on her which she accepted and paid the remaining amount by check immediately. Here sold the goods of rupees 48,000 to Priyanka. Abraham sold the goods to Priyanka of rupees 48,000, drew a 2 months bill of rupees 40,000 on her which she accepted and paid the remaining amount by check immediately. 40,000 rupees bill accepted and 48,000 minus 40,000, 8,000 rupees paid immediately by check. Date number 10. A bill of rupees 45,000 drawn by us and accepted by Imran will mature on 16/7/2016. Because of this, bill was sent to bank for collection today. 55,000 bill drawn by us means Abraham drawn this 55,000 bill which is accepted by Imran. This bill will mature on 16 July 2016. Because of this bill was sent to bank for collection today. Means here on 10 July 2016, this bill was sent for collection to the bank. Now date number 12. Karina was declared insolvent and her receiver paid the final dividend at 40 paisa. Now Karina was declared insolvent and so her receiver paid final dividend at 40 paisa. It means if 1 rupees is there then 40 paisa. So what is the amount is there? We have to write it this way. Now date number 16. Imran dishonored the bill and the bank debited to our account an amount including noting charge rupees 350 and charges for bill collection rupees 250. So Imran dishonored the bill and so noting charge for the process there is a rupees 350 and we collected Abraham collected the bills from bank, so this charge is also 250 rupees are there. Now 18 date, Imran gave a check of 50% amount of the total amount payable to us and accepted a new 2 months bill for the remaining amount. Now Abraham paid 50% amount and accepted the new bill which maturity date after 2 months is there. Interest of rupees 1200 is included in the amount of the new bill. When prepare the new bill, at that time, the preparation of the new bill at that time 1200 interest also included in this amount. Now answer part. Journal of Abraham, 2016 July 1st. Bills receivable account debit 24,000 to Karina's account 24,000. Being bill accepted and returned by Karina. Here Karina accepted 24,000's bill and for Abraham it is a bills receivable and Karina is the giver. So bill receivable account debit to Karina's account. Abhishek account debit 28,000 to bills payable account 28,000. Being bill accepted by us which is drawn by Abhishek. Abhishek is the drawer, means Abhishek is the creditor. And for Abraham it is a bills payable. Bills payable always credit, bill receivable always debit. Here Abhishek is the receiver. So Abhishek account debit to bills payable. Now Deepika's on date number 5. Deepika's account debit 33,000 to bills receivable account 32,500 to discount account 500. Deepika's account debit 33,000 and bills receivable account 32,500. Discount to discount account, discount receive 500 rupees. Being bill received from Ranbir is endorsed to Deepika. Bill receivable account debit 40,000, cash account debit 8,000 to sales account 48,000. Goods sold to Priyanka of rupees 48,000. Priyanka accepted the bills of rupees 40,000 and cash remaining amount paid by check immediately. So here being goods sold to Priyanka 8,000 is received and bill is accepted for the remaining amount. So bills receivable account debit 40,000, cash account debit 8,000 to sales account 48,000. Date number 10. Bill for collection through bank account debit 55,000 to bill receivable account 55,000. Being bill accepted by Imran is sent for collection through bank. Now 12. First entry. Karina's account debit 24,000 to bill receivable account 24,000. Being entry is passed for dishonor bill, Karina declared insolvent. Karina declared the insolvent. So opposite entry. Karina's account debit to bill receivable. Because in first we make the entry bills receivable to Karina. Now exactly opposite entry. Karina's account debit to bill receivable account. And now second entry for this 1 rupees is equal to 40 paisa. So bank account debit 9,600. 1 rupee is equal to 40 paisa. So 24,000 is equal to how much? So 9,600 rupees are there. So bank account debit 9,600. 9,600 we received from Karina's receiver. And bad debt account remaining amount is a loss for the business. So bad debt account debit 14,400 to Karina's account 24,000. Being final dividend is received at 40 paisa. Date number 16. Imran account debit 55,350. Bank charges account debit 250. To bill for collection through bank account 55,000 to bank account 600. Being billed is honored by Imran and bank charges rupees 250 and noting charges rupees 350 recorded. Date number 18. Bank account debit 27,675. New bill receivable account debit 28,875. To interest account 1,200. To Imran's account 55,350. Being received a check of rupees 50% amount and accepted a new bill including interest by Imran. Here interest 1,200 is there. And so this way they prepared the new bill for Imran. This way our question number 11 is over. Now question number 12. Record the following transaction in the books of Kirit Bhai 2016 December. Date number 2. Sold goods of rupees 49,000 to Pawan. Kiritbhai sold the goods of rupees 49,000 to Pawan on 2 months credit. Date number 4. Pawan paid cash 9,000 rupees and sent a promissory note of 2 months period for the remaining amount. Here, Pawan paid 9,000 rupees, 49,000 minus 9,000. So, 9,000 rupees paid cash and 40,000. For the 40,000, he sent a promissory note for 2 months period. Now, date number 6, sold goods of rupees 28,000 to Pawan at 10% cash discount. Date number 8, Pawan returned 50% of goods from the goods purchased on date number 6 by him. 10th date, sold goods of rupees 90,000 to Pawan on 3 months credit. 12th date, Pawan endorsed his bill receivable of rupees 45,000 in our favor. Date number 14. Pawan returned goods of rupees 12,000 to us from his purchase on date number 10. We sold the goods of rupees 90,000 and now purchase return 12,000. So 90,000 minus 12,000 is there. Now date number 18. Pawan paid rupees 16,000 by check against his account. Date number 20. We drew a bill on Pawan for the required amount to settle his account, which Pawan accepted and returned. Journal of Kiritbhai. Date number 2. 2016 December. Date number 2. Pawan's account debit 49,000 to sales account 49,000. Here Kiritbhai sold the goods to Pawan of rupees 49,000, being sold goods on 2 months credit. Now date number 4. Cash account debit 9,000, bill receivable account debit 40,000 to Pawan's account 49,000, being cash and 2 months promissory note received against our due from Pawan. Date number 6. Pawan's account debit 28,000 to sales account 28,000, being goods sold at 10% cash discount. Date number 8. Sales return account debit 14,000 to Pawan's account 14,000, being 50% goods written by Pawan out of the goods sold on date number 6. On date number 6 is 28,000 is there. Half of this means 50% it is equal to 14,000. Now date number 10. Pawan's account debit 90,000 to sales account 90,000, being sold goods on 3 months credit. Bills receivable account debit 45,000 to Pawan's account 45,000, being bill received against due outstanding amount. Now date number 14. Sales return account debit 12,000 to Pawan's account 12,000, being goods written by Pawan out of the goods sold on date number 10th December. Date number 18. Bank account debit 16,000 to Pawan's account 16,000, being received check against our dues. Date number 20. Bill receivable account debit 31,000 to Pawan's account 31,000, being bill accepted and returned by Pawan for the required outstanding amount. So this way our question number 12 is over. Thank you very much. And our question with the question number 12, our chapter number 4, bills of exchange, also over. Thank you very much.